Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I want to show you an excellent product for your travels that I just received today, and it's this kit with 20 travel bottles. So you have in this bag all that you need to travel with all your things of skincare or something like that. Came in this box that is so practical. It's beautiful. It's like a plastic bag in black. And in the inside we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. These ones are perfect for things like your shampoo, your conditioner, your soap, liquid soap, because are plastic. So if you don't take too much, you can make it of this way, and you can save space in your bag. The colors are beautiful, from yellow to brown, but more like beige, I think. So have these ones too. Are 2 of these, and you can use it for little liquids or things like that. We have 2 of these little bottles, and these other 2 that are a little bigger than the first ones. And you can use them for your lotion or your hand cream, something like that. Came with this one that you can use for your perfume. Look. And this that you can use for something that you need to put in your hair or something like that. And to finish, came with these ones that are for you can put liquids in your bottles more easy. This accessory, and these ones for the lotions or the cream. And with this plastic, you can take with you your brush for your teeth. So here we have labels too for all your bottles that says like a shampoo, sunscreen, body lotion, hand cream, lotions, shower gel, moisturizer, soaps, makeup remover, facial cleanser, and we have 2 of these. So you can know easy how bottle have that thing, because you can use these labels for your travels. So if you have a travel soon, I highly recommend this product for you. See you.